We're making mystery, magical, invisible notes. I'm Addie.
And I'm Bella.
And the ingredients you're going to be needing are Q-tips,
Lemon juice,
a piece of white writing paper,
and an iron.
So the first step you're going to do is you're going to take your Q-tip and dip it into the lemon juice. Then you're going to write a note or draw a picture on your piece of white writing paper. And
you have to let it dry.
You have to let it dry, so we'll be back with part 2. So we're back with part 2. So now you're going to take, once your paper is dry, now you're going to take your iron and plug it in and go over the sheet of paper and make sure you have adult supervision while you do this. So Bella's going to show us that. So you're going to go over it until the message completely shows up, which may take a little bit. So then the message will show up and it says hi, but
you can't really see it because we didn't put that much lemon juice.
Yeah, we didn't put that much lemon juice, but
so the science behind the experiment is the heat changes the lemon juice into a new chemical. This chemical is brown, and so your message can be seen on white paper. Eventually, that paper would also turn brown and burn. The lemon juice changes more quickly. Also, we can change the acids to vinegar as our